Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan, stock number 6357. This ran from the 7th 2011 to the 8th 2016. It has a CCZD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CCZD 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror. Rear tailgate, 1 dent. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door, 3 dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.